So that's pretty new, techie way to do it. These photos are showing you scale. So it's demonstrating here. These are not overly stuffed chairs with large rounded club kind of dimensions. They're fitting the space nicely. And this little table here just fits perfectly between. So coffee, tea, wine, books, magazines, everything can be placed right there. And this other photo is trying to demonstrate how you can create multifunctional pieces. This can be a daybed if someone is going to stay over, or it can be a little spot where the grandnephew or the grandson takes his nap if he's visiting, or if you're reading a book and you want to relax. It's multi purpose. So look for those things as well.